Hi, we will download and install VirtualBox in Windows 10 machine today. So yeah, let's see how to do that. First thing I will do is I will search for VirtualBox. There you go, and I'll click on the first link, Oracle VM VirtualBox, and I will click on download. So now, as you can see, this download page appears, and I will select Windows hosts, and it will download this .exe file for me. All right, looks like the download is finished, so I will click open and there you go. Now the installer setup window has appeared in my screen. I'll click on next. I will select all the defaults, no changes here. And yes, you can review these options. I'll select default, no changes, and then click on yes, and then install. Now all we need is to wait for this installation process to finish. So it's asking me, would you like to install this device software? I'll click on install. And there you go. It has finished. I'll click on finish and it will start the Oracle VM VirtualBox software on my machine. And there you have it. So this is our Oracle VM VirtualBox manager in our screen. Now you can pin it to the taskbar, or if you want, you can always search it in the start menu. So just search VirtualBox and it will appear here, and you can start it from here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.